I am Jack's complete lack of surprise. I cannot say Joe Biden killed the Keystone XL without Democrats trying to make it sound less harsh, or make it sound like he didn't do it, or blame it on someone else, or say anything or come up with anything they possibly can to try to somehow relieve some of that responsibility off of Joe Biden. It blows my mind when you consider the fact that Joe Biden ran on killing the Keystone XL and these people voted for him because he was going to kill the Keystone XL. And when he did it, they made every excuse in the book to try to pretend he didn't. I do not understand what is wrong with you people. If you are under the impression that anything other than Joe Biden killed the Keystone XL, then you are either not informed about the facts surrounding the situation, which, let's be honest, is understandable because probably the most misinformation ever disseminated about any single thing was the Keystone XL. Every single Republican talking about it was getting it wrong, and every single Democrat talking about it was getting wrong, and nobody was getting the truth from anybody. So it's understandable that people wouldn't know exactly what happened. You would think some people would go read like what actually happened, but no. But still, like I said, he campaigned on it and people voted for him, and then he did it, and those same people said he didn't do it. I guess because it was unpopular at the time. Because what, a year and a half later, gas prices skyrocketed and they didn't want Biden to be blamed for those gas prices? You can explain the gas prices too without having to lie about the Keystone, without having to claim he didn't kill it. He killed it. He killed the Keystone. Joe Biden killed the Keystone. Get over it. What the Supreme Court did not end the Keystone pipeline. It did not in any way, shape, or form. It only required them to go through an environmental impact study that they had gotten out of going through under the Trump administration. That's the only thing it did. It didn't stop the Keystone. They're not going to have billions and billions of dollars invested in a pipeline and then give up on it because they got to do a stupid environmental impact study. No, that's not a thing. I've had to talk about this stupid subject many more times than I cared to, and it is so simple. It is so black and white. Joe Biden killed the Keystone XL. Period. Thanks.